In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Prophet Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace. Narrated Abdullah bin Umar, Allah's Messenger peace to offer the prayer of Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr, and then deliver the sermon after the prayer. Narrated al-Bara, I heard the Prophet delivering a sermon saying, the first thing to be done on this day, first day of Eid al-Adha, is to pray. And after returning from the prayer we slaughter our sacrifices in the name of Allah. And whoever does so, he acted according to our Sunnah traditions. Narrated Ibn Abbas, the Prophet said, no good deeds done on other days are superior to those done on these first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Then some companions of the Prophet said, not even jihad. He replied, not even jihad, except that of a man who does it by putting himself and his property in danger for Allah's sake, and does not return with any of those things. Narrated Ibn Abbas, I offered the Eid prayer with Allah's Messenger. Abu Bakr, Umar and Uthman and all of them offered the prayer before delivering the khutbah. Narrated Amotiyah, we used to be ordered to come out on the day of Eid and even bring out the virgin girls from their houses and menstruating women so that they might stand behind the men and say takbir along with them and invoke Allah along with them and hope for the blessings of that day and for purification from sins.